Welcome to the 6.5 podcast, applying force pressure. For constant force, an increase in the area of contact will result in a decrease in the pressure. And first we need to define pressure. And pressure is the force per unit area. And when a force is perpendicular to the surface area, we can use this equation. Pressure equals the force divided by the area of application. We'll write this as a big P, big F divided by an A. And this is true when it's perpendicular surface area. We'll talk more about when it's not perpendicular later. So, and pressure is measured in newtons per square meter, or what we call a Pascal, and we abbreviate it with PA. And that's equal to 1 newton per square meter. And if you look at this closely, you'll see that force is in newtons and area should be in square meter. So this all makes sense. Let's look at these two books. The force of each book is on the table is the same because they have the same weight. But the upright book exerts the same force but greater pressure against the supporting surface. And the reason why is because it has a smaller surface area against the surface. So it's going to have more pressure. If you exert more pressure on the ground when you stand on one foot than when you stand on both feet, because your area of contact is decreased. It's decreased by half. 1 foot has half the area of 2 feet standing on the ground. So the smaller the area supporting the force, the greater the pressure on that surface. Now here's a exhibit. The driving force per nail is not enough to puncture the skin. Essentially, what's happened is I'll show you this video. I'll show you a video of this. Is this guy sitting on a bed of nails, and he also has a bed of nails above him, and the author is cracking a thing of concrete with a sledgehammer. And the point of this is that if he puts his weight on enough nails, it's safer to have more nails than it is to have less nails. He's definitely going to be punctured if he puts all his weight on one nail. But if he distributes his weight over hundreds of nails, then the pressure is less on each nail, and he's less likely to puncture his skin. So you can answer this question. Do you think it would be wise to begin with a few nails and work upward to more nails? The answer is no. What you want to do is you want to have as many nails as possible because the pressure will be lower then. So how does the area of contact affect the pressure a force exerts on an object? For constant force, an increase in the area of contact will result in a decrease in the pressure.